Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on your PUBG mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address or your Facebook or your Google account. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start your game if you wish to do so. Now, if you wish to add any friend, then underneath your profile icon, tap on the friends option, and now you will see the plus icon at the top section. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will now be allowed to search for any person to add as your friend. You can simply type in their nickname underneath the search box, or you can also enter their user ID and then tap on the search button to start your search for this user. Once you find the user that you want to add, you can simply click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner, which will send your friend request to this user. Once the user accepts your friend request, you will become friends with this user on the PUBG mobile game, and you can now invite this friend once they accept your request within your game to play together. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends onto your PUBG mobile game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.